Welcome to my channel Learning Tutorials. Today topic is bird's name. Duck. We mostly say in Urdu battakh. In this picture you see peacock, मायने मोर. It's very common but you know that it's parrot, मायने तोता. Its name is eagle, मायने अका. Next is, as you know that it's crow, मायने कौवा. Next is, it's pigeon. You can say in Urdu kabutar. This beautiful bird name is ostrich, शुतुरमुर्ग. It's sparrow. It's sparrow, माने चिड़िया. It's woodpecker. It's a little bit similar to sparrow. It's hummingbird. In Urdu you can say hummingbird. In this picture you see kingfisher. It's penguin. In Urdu you can say penguin. It's vulture. In Urdu you can say git. It's token. In Urdu you can say token. It's seagull. In Urdu you can say seagull.